Hello guys.
Yes, we are twinning.
So who is cloned?
No, you are the cloned one.
You are the cloned one.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doing Gold. And trust me, you are going to learn 3 powerful editing tips on CapCut that will take your video from this to this. Yes. So please stay with me.
Now you will go to your App Store or Play Store and type in CapCut. I have it already, so I'm just going to update my app. Then you sign in or log in automatically if you have it. Then I'll click on New Project. Select the video. It will import automatically to your studio. To create a clean clone video, record 2 separate clips. In the first one, sit or stand on one side without crossing the middle line. I used the chair as my guide and stayed on one side. Then I changed my outfit and recorded the second clip on the other side, again avoiding the middle. This makes it super easy to blend both clips with the Max tool in CapCut. Now that we've created magic, to bring the magic to life by using the Max tool effect. So I first increase my volume, I make it 100 on my CapCut. Then I enhance my voice, also make it 100. Then I would click on add overlay, import the same video, then I would edit it. To make it easier, we have the clone A and the clone B, right? So I'll pick the clone B, then scroll to find the tool called Max, then tap it. Then the clone A is the one behind, the clone B is the one in front. I will use the clone B to cover the clone A. Then I will click on horizontal. Once I click on horizontal, then I will click on the yellow outline. Then I'm going to rotate it to 90 degree. You can see, make it 90 degree. Then I'm going to tilt it to my left. Then I would also tap on the arrow, that white arrow, and just smoothen it to my right, to give it that smooth, natural look. To give it that natural look and make it look like we are just twins and not clones. If the line looks weird, move it a little until it looks nice. And yes, you just cloned yourself. Let's make your videos brighter and better. Now scroll to click on the relight button, click on the relight tool. Now we have 3 options: facial, ambient, and creative. And you can see what it is. This is the before. Now let's click on one to see how the after will look like. So now you can see that when you click on it, it's going to start applying the feature of the relight. Now let's walk through the video and see the different types of way you can, the different kinds of way you can relight your video to make it superb, beautiful, brighter and better. Click on the setting button. When you click on it, then you have different options. You can either choose to increase the brightness, reduce the brightness, or use the intensity, but I just like to reset it and use it the way I see it, because most times I just like the pre-saved setting already. So this is the ambient. So there are just different types of it. You can see how it's already popping at the background. It's so beautiful. And the thing again is that you can either put the light, use the light at the background on yourself, or you can put it on both of you, the background and yourself. Let me show you. Now, this is when I reset it and put it on just me, then on the background, then both. But the difference is not so much. So I just like to use the both option. And that is it. And you can see it with my clone effect. It's just very beautiful. So this will just elevate your video and take your video from level 0 to 100. That's the before and this is the after. All right, so let's get to the next step. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do well to subscribe, do well to comment for part 2, and let me know what next you want to see. CapCut always adds a little logo at the end, and sometimes you forget to delete this logo when you've downloaded your video, which can be sometimes frustrating. So let me show you how to delete it forever. Now you click on the setting button on your home page, scroll to add default ending, tap on discard, and down you don't have that logo showing at the end of your video again. You did it. Now you know how to clone yourself, brighten your video, and remove that ending. If you liked this video,
please do well to subscribe to this beautiful channel because we have so much coming true for you. Oh my goodness. Oh good, I'm feeling your vibe today. As in anyway, see you in our next one. Bye. So hello guys. Yes, we are twinning. Anyways, my name is Doia, and in this channel we are going to show you how to do this. How you can be 2, you can be 3, and you can clone yourself. So who is cloned? No, you are the cloned one. You are the cloned one. Okay, so you're going to mount your phone or your camera on a tripod and keep it steady so that when you're editing, it's not going to affect, it's not going to give you an issue or something, so that everything will just be steady, very seamless, and just beautiful to watch, just like us. Anyways, baby girl, give them. Please do well to subscribe to this beautiful channel because we have so much coming true for you. Oh my goodness. Oh good, I'm feeling your vibe today. As in anyway, see you in our next one. Bye.